Good morning. My name is Romualdo Martinez of Philmec, the Philippine Center for Post-Harvest Development and Mechanization. We developed a greenhouse solar dryer that provides solution to the problem of our farmers and rural-based enterprises to dry their products effectively even during the rainy season when sun drying is not possible. Agricultural crops deteriorate rapidly when not immediately dried. It results to product spoilage, low quality, low price, or even market rejection. Direct sun drying also exposes the product to contamination from birds, animals, insects, dust, and other sources. One possible solution is to use mechanical dryers. However, they are expensive to acquire and expensive to operate because they use electricity and fossil fuel. Numerous research have shown that solar drying, if properly done, results to product of excellent quality. Solar energy is free, and its use drastically reduces drying costs. So what is our dryer solution? Our solution is a greenhouse-like structure using polycarbonate sheet that retains solar heat and protects the product from contamination. It can dry up to 1,200 kilograms of product. The drying tables are made of stainless steel food-grade material. The biomass-fueled furnace provides heat even during rainy periods. The ducts and chimneys transfer smoke-free heat in the dryer. Solar-powered fans circulate the hot air. Solar cell panels and batteries provide the electricity requirement of the dryer. It can operate even when it rains continuously for 2 to 3 days. In addition to the drying tables, we included multi-tray drying cabinets that drastically increase drying capacity. So what are the benefits? Better product quality, shorter drying duration, continuous drying even during rainy season, protection from rain and contamination, and it can be set up off electricity grid. We have been working and improving on the greenhouse solar dryer for the last 8 years. In 2014, the first prototype of the dryer was installed in Davao for drying cacao beans. The dryer enabled our cooperator to secure a contract to export good quality cacao beans to a Singapore-based consolidator. In 2016, we worked on the second iteration of dryer improvements for drying coffee. The first dryer was installed in Lipa City, Batangas. It enabled our cooperator to produce quality coffee for its chain of coffee shop. The second was installed in Lupon, Davao Oriental. It enabled our cooperator to receive from Nestle price incentive for delivering quality green bean. And the third was installed in Cabuyao, Laguna. It enabled our cooperator to market quality roasted coffee at premium price. In 2018, we installed the third iteration of the dryer improvements in Dapitan, Zamboanga for drying cassava chips. It enabled our cooperator to double production volume and profit. They were very satisfied with the dryer, and they loaned from DOST setup program for 2 additional dryers. In 2021 this year, we installed the fourth and latest iteration of the dryer in Camiling, Tarlac for drying processed cornix. And in 2022 next year, we will set up 2 dryers in Quezon Province, one in Dolores for coffee drying and another in Benavista for fish drying. So let's partner and set up more greenhouse solar dryers in rural communities. Let's join together and help our Filipino farmers. Thank you.